It's a huge bounty, mon capitaine. 4 passengers, ripe for the taking. 1 very smelly and 1 very plump.
In my ocean. What a terrible turn of events. I love a terrible turn of events.
No one will ever love you the way I do, Gladys. What? I always name my pizzas. Now come to Papa. Oh, Gladys! You were far too young.
What a party!
Gah! What is that annoying sound?
Hey, they look fluffy.
Ha! I get the big woolly one. Ha! Ha ha! Get ready to slice and dice, boys.
Knock it off, Squint.
Hey!
Wait for Captain's orders.
Ahoy down there! How lucky are you? You know these waters are infested with pirates. Right, boys? Glad we found you before they did. Captain Gutt, here to help.
Call me next time you're in town and we'll...
There is only here. And here, your ship belongs to me.
Battle station! Fly the colors! Now surrender your ship or face my fury.
What? I always name my pizzas.
Furry? Fury! Fire! You know, this ocean isn't big enough for the boat.
On guard? You mean do I'm getting the spins? Smell you later! And not farting!
You shouldn't have messed with the master of the sea.
Bro was right. I like.
Oh no, he's gone forever. Oh, there he is.
Shore leave's over. Get your sorry carcasses on board now.